Dive into the artistry of George Nakashima with the soul of a tree. A Woodworker's Reflections. This isn't just a book. It's a journey into the heart of woodworking, revealing Nakashima's profound connection to nature and his unparalleled craftsmanship. The stunning imagery, like the rich grain of the wood itself, showcases his meticulous process and philosophy. Feel the passion, understand the dedication, and gain insight into a master's perspective. Let Nakashima's reflections inspire your own creativity. Discover more and order your copy today. Link to product page.